In this video, I will show you how to link or connect Robinhood to Cash App account. It's a very simple and quick process, so make sure you watch until the end. Linking both accounts allows you to easily transfer funds between them using their respective debit cards. Let's get started. First, let's go over how to link your Robinhood debit card to your Cash App. Here, you'll be able to view your card details. If you haven't applied for a Robinhood debit card yet, simply click on the Join Waitlist or Apply for Card button and follow the steps to get one. Once your card is active, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Linked Banks, then choose Link Debit or Credit Card. Now, enter your Robinhood debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and then tap Link Card. Go back to your Cash App home screen, tap on Add Money, and choose how much you want to transfer. Be sure to select your Robinhood debit card as the payment method. Once confirmed, the money will be transferred instantly from your Robinhood account to your Cash App. Next, if you'd like to do the reverse, that is, link your Cash App card to your Robinhood account, you can do that as well. Here's how. Open your Robinhood app, tap on the profile icon, and then click the three-line menu at the top of your screen. From the menu, select Transfers. Scroll down until you find the section called Linked Accounts and tap Add Account. On the next screen, choose Debit Card as your linking option. Now, enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV, and tap Continue. Once your Cash App card has been successfully added, you can return to the Transfers page in Robinhood. From there, you'll be able to move money between your Cash App and Robinhood accounts. Simply tap on Transfer Money or Add Money. Select the Cash App card as your payment source and choose how much you want to send. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your Cash App to Robinhood both ways, allowing smooth transfers between the two.